Hey, this is Mr. KB, just shooting a quick video. Showing you the start of my campaign that I created. I bought a 500 click solo ad today from Michael Cyros, and this is going to be running for my MLM Recruit on Demand campaign. This is my advertising funnel um, that I use to be able to advertise the $25 one-up system. I'm just giving you a quick sneak peek at the start of my campaign. Everything's already started. As of today, I'm getting some good lead flow coming in, as you can see. And so we're just going to let this campaign keep rolling on. I'm sure I'm going to get some sign-ups off of the uh, low price point that you have to pay just to be able to get started with the MLM Recruit on Demand system. It's just a one-time $15. And what you get with that system, you get a system that allows for you to be able to have access to unlimited leads that you can text, call, or however you want to approach those leads. The main teaching that the founder Ryan Gunness teaches is to be able to call the prospects and to be able to give them the information about the MLM Recruit on Demand system, or to give them information about your business, whichever one the prospect is willing to take. But you're not limited to that method. You can text them if you like, or however you want to approach them. But I'm going to give you some more detail on that very shortly. But right now, I'm just showing you the beginning of my campaign, and I will follow up with more results. And that's really much all I had to say. I'm trying to speak as good as I can. I'm not really used to making a whole lot of videos, so if you could just bear with me. But I'm going to get better and better as I go. Alright, this is Khalil Bashir. I'm signing off, and I will be following up. Thank you.